You know how to zip it, huh, boy? Now you learn it. 3 years old only. Go on, grab everything and put it back right here. Come on, see it, boy. Macho, come on, pick up the truck. Macho, look. This one. Go now. Move the truck. Move the truck, boy. Did you see that? It's moving it. Okay. It's moving it. Look. Hot Wheels right there. There's a Jaguar, Bugatti in there.
Yes.
Alright folks, this one is a Hot Wheels, this one is a Jaguar. I already saw this before in person. I think Bugatti. Correction please. This one is Bugatti. It's like another version of Volkswagen. This one is a Volkswagen right here. 1960s. I don't know what is this. This has a cube, square, on top of the roof. Matthew, you better play your car. Let's do it. Come on.
Wow.
Matthew is making sounds. But everyone is already sleeping. Matthew, what you gonna do with the dice? You played that the last time. Why don't you play with the target over there? And there's bunches of gun. Yay! Watch out! Peppa Pig is also there, okay? Oops! Peppa Pig. Kapag is the boy. Okay. Okay, come on, let's do it. Need more toys? Okay, Hot Wheels all over here. Why, boy? Don't slam it, boy. It's gonna roll all over there. Look, the car is gonna roll. Did you see all the cars gonna roll? See? Look at that. Okay, now. So all your car will be moving, okay, this time. It's time. Alright, I just prepared the target show right here. But Mark is already sleeping. Only Matthew is awake. Okay. Sit up for 2 hours in here right now. Okay, we're gonna use the green screen right now. Alright, another sit up again. Building bricks right here. Sit up for 2 hours together with less than 100 dominoes. This one has a battery inside. Okay, I got 2 magazines right here. One of them is already loaded and this one more right here. Okay. When you buy this, it comes with 1 magazine. It's holds up to less than 20 bullet. Alright, let's do it.